Okay, what did I want to do? 2, 3, yeah. Neovim being naughty. So I want to fix that. Neovim. Start with ls. Remove all my Z shell? No. Hello, Prath. I'm just gonna call you Prath. How are you doing? How's everything? How's the family? Do you have a family? If you do, how are they? If you don't, how are you? Brew, uninstall Neovim. Let's start fresh. No such keg, amazing. Okay. Now, remove the configuration. Remove config nvim, right? Yes. Yeah, remove it, all of it. Bam. Okay. Now, Begu. Begu. Yeah, remove that. What's next? Go to local. What's in here? Share. What's in here? nvim. What's in here? This is Packer. Let's go to local. rm-rf share. Right? Yes. Go to state. What's in here? nvim. Okay, what's in here? Swap. What is in here? Nothing. What is shada? What is that? Nothing. Okay. cd back home. Did remove. So the config is gone. Can you hit that note, bro? You can't. So we removed everything. Now fresh install. Brew install Neovim. Okay. Launch it. Works fine. Great. Great. Now, installing Packer. Installing Packer Neovim Mac. Yes. Yes. Start up. Quick start. Features, requirements. Quick start. Yes. This one. I think this is the command. We're gonna take this guy. We're gonna go here. We're gonna say bam. Enter. Done. Now launch nvim. Try Packer. There is no Packer. It's not an editor command. And how the hell was it installed? Then you can write your plugin specification in Lua. Yeah, already, I know. I know. So you need to There's Spurious. Packer injects use. Packer load, Packer compile. After you've run and configured Packer with require. Oh, I see, I see. So where does he want this file to be in? He wants it to be here. Config vim lua plugins.lua. So where do I have it? I have it here. Duplicate this one. Where do I have it? Config nvim. What's he have here? Nvim Lua plugins. What do I have? Lua Odame. Lua Odame. And then Packer .lua. He has it .lua as well. Okay. So fine. That's fine. I'm gonna grab it as is. Come here and do cd config. What the hell? This is a repository? Oh, never mind. mkdir nvim Lua plugins. Alright. cd nvim first. mkdir nvim. No. Lua. Then go inside. Create a file called plugins.lua. Paste all of this stuff. Undo. Paste again. Go to the top and add what? vim.cmd. Yes, vim.cmd. Yes. Query. Okay. This is done. And what else does this guy want? This file can be loaded by calling Lua require plugins from your init vim. Okay, what do I already have in my init vim? Config nvim init vim. Is it even called? It's not called. So how's he gonna know that this should launch? Alright. We're gonna do what? What are we gonna do? What the hell am I gonna do? My life is suffering. Hello, Abhishek. How are you, buddy? How am I? I want to close the door so you don't hear my wife talking to her parents. Done. How are you, Abhishek? Abhishek! I am good, thanks. How are you? I am great, man. No, I'm not. It's just the answer I give everybody. Yes. Go ahead with your query, ask. Ask me. I love being asked questions. I will answer anything. I should put it in the description of the stream. Yeah, go ahead. Just chatting. Ask me anything. Also maybe algorithms. Come hang out. Save. Ask, go ahead. I can answer any question, bro. Any question. I'm ready. I want to record video and save 10-second clips in the background while recording. What? You want to record video and save 10-second clips in the background while recording. So you want to have an application that you press record on it and it starts recording, and at some point it takes 10 seconds off of what's been recording and drops it somewhere else and continues recording. First 10 seconds, then next 10 seconds, and so without stopping the recording button. So at the end, what will you have? One big file and then 50 small 10-second files? Is that what you're gonna have in the end? So if you record 1 minute, you will have one file that is 60 seconds. And you will then have another 6 files, which are 10 seconds each. 50? Okay. What are you trying to do? What's the big picture? Because you can do that, you know, obviously you can do that. Every time the 10 seconds have passed, you take all the bytes that you've been capturing, and then you throw them off and save those in one file, and then you start again. Instead of waiting till the whole thing is done, you're receiving bytes. You just put those in one file and you close the buffer. You go again. Right? There, I did it for you. The app is done. From init.vim. Init.vim. Actually, instead of sending a whole 1 GB file to server at once, I want to send small clips to server so that server can process start. Yeah, it's the same thing when you're recording and waiting for the record button to stop recording so that you can finish one recording. Instead, you finish it on purpose every 10 seconds and you start it again without interrupting the record button, because that button is up to you. You're the one who says, okay, make it not red, make it light red so it can show that it's not recording, or make it dark red, and then make it bright red when it is recording. You don't touch the button. Internally, behind the scenes, every 10 seconds you stop recording instantly, like a half a second, and then you start again and you grab what you have so far and throw it on the server. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. That's a good point. Mm-hmm. Mm. I think because you're just using one recorder. You can use 2 recorders, can't you? You should not have any frames drop, because in the same second that you stop, you have a callback for the stopping, right? What? How? What the hell is that? All you have to do with it? Why would the audio stop? You should do in the callback of the first stop, when it's unstopped, You start the second one in the callback. You don't run two at once. Then that's an issue you have to look into. But it doesn't make sense for it to be an issue related to there being two recorders. It's a separate issue, I think. No? Don't you think, Thonk? What's the structure here that I have? Bam. So I have 3. Do you have 3? Brew, install 3. Is it 3, right? 3. Yep. Okay, so Lua, where am I? Config and Vim. And here is saying config and Vim, right? Right. So here you have Vim init.vim. And what we're gonna do is this. So how long you been trying this, bro? Days. How many days? Oh, that is local machine? What? Map leader. Map leader. Is that how it's called? Map leader. Let map leader. Let map leader is equal to. I'm gonna remove that. I'm gonna have a backslash. Yeah. And then I'm gonna call here. What did the guy want to say? What do you call? What do you call? Lua require plugins. Yes, yes. That I'm gonna place here. I'm gonna go here and do this. Come here, save and exit. Now, nvim. Missing quote. Line 3. Excuse what? What? Nvim. Q. Okay, vim init vim. Line 3013, yeah. What do you want? I want 2 double slashes. Okay. No, let's leave it as space. Fuck it, man. I've been trying from last 8-9 days. Wow. That's a long time, man. Start doing something weird that you've not been doing before. Give me the code if you want. We'll look at it on stream. Show me the code. Do you have a sample where you went? What you should do actually is go start a new project. Right? You go start a new project and you try this alone. You try this thing alone. Individually, isolated from all the other things that you're trying to do in the app. Just try this feature only, right? Just only try that in the new project. See if it works there. If it does, then you know that it does work. It's your project that's interfering with how it's working. But this going back and forth in the same big project, it's not gonna be clear for you. Go try it alone. It's called a single source, single SC. That's called. CCC, no. SCSSC. SSC. Example, SCCE. It's some acronym that's supposed to represent a single, isolated, contained code example. This is gonna do that thing no matter what happens, and this is its example. Then someone can look at it without having to have any background knowledge of anything. This is all they have to know in this example for them to help you. So yeah, there's an acronym for that. I can't remember it. Let's see if chat Japoti Gepetto. What's the acronym for a single isolated source code example. As he just invented this acronym. That's not the one. That is not the one. Anyway, doesn't matter. Doesn't matter. What matters here is that we get this working. This is what matters. Now, stop this guy, launch again, move to 3. Move the cursor as well, expand the font so that everybody can see, and do this. Now, this installation is fucked up. Packer, is there a packer? Oh, thank God. Alright, now we can do this. We can go here, config. Then we can, what? We can do config. Yes, we can do config. But I need all of these as well. Oh my God. Okay. So we're gonna go code, setup, cd, no, stow, dot files, target, home. Go back there, config, ls, nvim, no, nvim, cd, nvim, bro, no, Lua? No, you didn't stow it actually, what the hell? I have a Gmail ID, I'll send you a new project repo with you. That I don't have Gmail. Do here. Oh, I do have Gmail, I do. There you go. Why didn't it stow? Code, setup, git, stow, dot files, target, home. Fine, code, setup, cd dot files, config, nvim. Oh God, it overwrote those things, man. It overwrote them. Hi, Hamada. حمادة. كيفك يا حمادة؟ شو أخبارك؟ كيف حياتك؟ شو عم تعمل؟ I need these files. This is such a clusterfuck, man. This is not what I imagined I'd be doing when I was 35. Really. What am I doing? I don't know what I'm doing. I'm just chatting, man. Trying to get NeoVim to work also. Yeah, I was generally just chatting. Ask me anything, bro. I'm here to answer all your questions. I'm like the Oracle. After plugin, yeah, I need all of these. So I'm gonna take this guy. I'm gonna go here, go here, go here. Gohira. You know Gohira? That's all he does is go here. Setup, yeah, dot files, and then config NeoVim. I'm gonna paste this here. Yes. Then I'm going to go Lua plugins.lua, and I'm gonna hit it with the SO. See, doesn't work. Garbage app, man. What a garbage software. The command is not available. Look at this shit, man. It's like it's half working, but why isn't it completing the work? Alaikum assalam. Motherfucker. You motherfucker. Okay, I don't want to use it anymore. High time to master Android development. What? It's high time. Okay, I don't want to use NeoVim anymore. Brew, uninstall NeoVim. I want to be senior like you. What would you recommend? You cannot just be like me, man. It takes years. I've been trying to be like this for 40 years and I'm only 35. So you do the math, right? Why am I hacking into NASA? Well, where else would I hack into? Just trying to get this goddamn trash NeoVim to work on a fresh machine, man. So I have all my configuration here. It's right here. There. But you feed it again, it's just not going, it's not doing the thing. You know? Oh, how to time required years. You will never master it. You will never master anything, bro. Best thing you can do is become good at it, but master it, never. You're dreaming. Nano. No, I'm gonna do one better. I'm gonna use just PyCharm. Fuck the term. Fuck NeoVim, man. But why isn't it working, man? Why? There, remove everything. Vim info, what is that? Oh, useless, okay. Which Vim? It's Vim. I can't not use it. Time required to be job ready. My dad start my career. Are you fucking crazy, man? To be job ready, how much time required? Well, if you're focusing, if you're studying, if you're working on yourself. I don't know. Have you been to college? You can't just out of the air like, how much time to be job ready? It depends. Are you fresh out of college? You could spend like the college years being prepared for a job, get out of college, get into a job. That's what people do usually. That's what happened to me. But if you've never been to a university, you kind of have to make up for it by doing like almost 3 years as well. 3 years and a half, something like that. And then you'll be fine. Homebrew. What is this shit? Kotlin language server. Fuck off. Platform tools, dot files. Okay. Thank you, sir. Love from India. Love you too, my brother. My dad. Should listen to something, no? My dad. What is a NeoVim? Is it like neo-Nazi? Tough question. Tough question. No, it's just new Vim, because Vim, the old school Vim is to them it needs a revamp. So NeoVim was born. That's it. That is it. That is all that she wrote. You know. Where are you from, Darui? You seem like an intelligent human being. Human with an M at the end. Not from Germany, I can tell you that much. Oh. Because you're able to say the word Nazi? My brother is German. Okay, I don't want Packer, I don't want nothing. What I want is just give me the default configuration, okay? What is this? What is this? Okay, do this. Quit. Source it. Yes. Vim, there's no Vim in Vim yet. Okay, install again. Okay, Vim. Alright. No line numbers, no nothing. Great. Great, okay. I could do that. Copyright strike for what? This music? Yeah, probably. I don't care. My last stream got blocked globally. I don't know. Hindu? No. Pakistani? Something like that. I don't know really. Doesn't matter. It's what he's expressing that matters, bro. It's the idea. Why am I looking here? I gotta start. Let's just start looking there. Because there's the camera. Urdu, yeah, there you go. Ya Abbas. I'm gonna take all of this just to see if it's gonna work. Let's follow the liar to the doorstep. That's what we say. If someone's telling you a lie, you say, okay, I'll believe you. Let's go with what you say. Let's go and see where this leads. So we're gonna do that. cd nvim and then make init vim. Bam. That's all I want from you. No. Come here. Send over to 3. Go to 3. Do this. Now. Try, test. Line numbers, amazing. What the fuck is that on the right? What is that? What is this? Hello, good morning, Vivek. True, that's what I say in the interviews. It's the thought that counts, not my technical knowledge. Not the same, bro. Seem like a smart ass, man. That's what I wanted to see. To say. I didn't say smart human being. I wanted to say it seems like a smart ass. But I want to give you a couple of more sentences. But now, my proof is here. Good morning. Oh, I said good morning already. What morning, man? It's 8 p.m. Where are you living? Morning. It's 8 p.m. Good, okay. Why are these yellow? I set this configuration for them to be yellow. What the fuck is this? You're US. Ah, US. The US. I'm living in the US. Also having coffee. Cheers, man. Don't cheers me, man. I don't do that shit. Cheers. Cheers. Turning it off and on. No. See, every new machine I get, this happens, but this time it's stuck. I do it every time. It's never an issue. Okay. Hello, Mr. Sasank. You have real weird names, guys. What kind of audience do I have here? What kind of show am I running here? I guess my name's weird as well. Odai. Like today. You got some pretty weird names. Okay. I understand. Fine. We're gonna also reset this. IDEA Vim RC. What is IDEA Vim RC? Ah, it's the Vim the configuration for IDEA IDEs. Local. Share. What do you have here? Okay, RMRF, all of this. Great. Hey, Parth. Oh, it's because of that. Yeah, you do have some weird names, man. The most normal one is like Parth. But there's a Discord server. I got people like Siddharth. And what else do I got here? Ashutosh? Yeah, at least my audience is Indian. Very intelligent people. Not Americans. Well, thank you. Is the Lua folder copied into config in Vim 2? The Lua folder. Yeah, it was. When I was first trying this, but now I'm going back and back and back. Just trying to do it from nothing. So no Lua folder, no nothing. Just look at this. And Vim. Just the init. I want nothing else. I just want to see if Packer is gonna work after I install it. So you come here, you go to Packer, here's your Packer. It's like a good boy, you know. It's like a person who follows the rules. Quick start, just grab this guy, come here, paste it for the 10th time. You just say okay. Done. Okay. Now how does it work? Oh, thank you for the new machine. Yeah, thank you. I bought it yesterday. You go Vim test, for example. Packer. Nothing. Okay. That's not how it works. So, config in Vim. Vim init. Apparently. No, nothing. There is no Packer. Just because you cloned the repo doesn't mean it's working. No. It has to be referenced from somewhere. apparently this file can be loaded, this whole file, by calling Lua require plugins. So this is my plugins, no, Lua Packer, this line. You grab this, and you place it where you want to place it, and you do SO, doesn't recognize anything. Let's ask Gpoti. Say I have just installed NeoVim using Brew. Okay. Now I have loaded my init.vim into no, it's home like that. Dot config in Vim, right? That's where I loaded it. And now I want to use Packer so that my packer.lua file will be loaded and it will install the plugins. What do I do? As an AI language model, I can't really just give me the fucking answer, man. Don't so many times I just give me the answer, asshole. Run the following command. Okay, I ran this. Depth 1. Configure Packer. I never had to do this, by the way, ever. Never. Configure this init.vim. Lines to the top of your init vim. Configure plugins. Okay. This file I have already. I don't think you need to do this though. Well, do we repeat this? Yeah, go ahead. Go listen to it. We're just gonna call this, right? There you go. Huh? There you go. Okay. Now how do I trigger it? I'm not gonna trigger it. I'm just gonna launch NVim again. Ah, unknown function. You monkey. You monkey. Unknown function. Of course it's unknown function. What are you gonna invent from it? This is not pathogen, you idiot. You moron. That's how pathogen is initialized. You monkey. What an imbecile, man. An idiot. Retardo. Oh, let's ask GPT actually, why are you retarded sometimes? I apologize if my previous... You don't have to apologize, it's how we were born. I was just asking if you're aware of it. You monkey. Command packer add packer nvim. Yeah, it's useful in some areas. To replace that, I don't know. could in like 10 years, but not now. Maybe in 10 years. Packer lot lower. That? Now it works. Mr. Robot? No. I don't like the actor. It never pulled me really. His face is childish. I don't listen to someone who looks less manly than I am. Yeah, that's about it. I don't listen to someone who looks less manly than I am. Yeah, that's pretty accurate. Yeah, that is exactly what I mean. I think he was older. Yeah, it doesn't matter. He's not as manly. I can't take him seriously. I look more serious than him. People would listen to me more. It's a good tutor, but as is with all that tutors, they can't keep up to date. I wouldn't say it's a tutor. It's just a reference. Like, hey, what do you think of this? Oh, you know, it's useful. You can't say it's not useful. No. No way, man. GPT is very good, but it has some mistakes. Now it works. Monkey software. Do I have senior hat on though? Yeah, I don't. That is true. What is all of this thing? That's things that are happening. Why does it look like child colors? It's very hot here, by the way. That's why no hat, no nothing. Plus he's an actor. Who the hell listens to an actor, man? Who's listening? The guy asked you if you watched the series. No, I didn't watch it. Why didn't I not watch it? Why didn't I watch it? Because I don't like the actor. His face, I don't like his face. Looking at his face, I can tell how he's not intelligent enough for me to like his face. This is the first impression I got from him. He might be a genius, but it didn't strike me as such. So, no. Especially because he's a man. He's a woman. You know what criteria is required there. You know? But also, if she doesn't meet that criteria, bam, I ain't listening to you. I am in the Netherlands, yeah. For now. After this stream, bro. It's not the face, it's the frog eyes. Yeah, they are in the face, though, the frog eyes. But there's still something beyond how God has created the guy. There's a look, there's a feel that the human himself or themselves exudes from their face because of all the actions they've done, because of how they think. It starts to show on your face. This is not the natural way he looks. It's after years of acting in a certain way and thinking in a certain way that now he looks like this. And that is kind of like, it reveals a lot from your face, what you're up to, what you think, what you might be standing for. Like I could give you like an estimate profile of what I think of the entire guy, all of what he thinks, where he stands, all of that from his face. Yes, I have a bike. You can't hear without it. You have to have a bike. Everybody has a bike. Some people have 2 bikes. I should start looking here, man. Yeah. But, okay. So now the plugins are installed, but their configuration is not. Right, so what we do is do this after. whatever the hell reason I called it after back then, but that's how it is. After plugin, oh, okay. No, wait. Move plugin to after. Yes, cd after. Plugin, and then what? I want all of these guys. Where are they? What the fuck? Oh, because this terminal doesn't have access to my downloads. Sudo ls. What the fuck is happening with my life? What is going on? Why is this happening to me? What actor would be manly enough for me to watch the series? That's a good question. I like how you think to how I think, right? You have to start thinking like I think. Let me see in my manly catalog of manly actors who I can bring up to you as a great manly example. Well, he's gotta have a beard. That's the first thing. 100%. You gotta have a beard that doesn't look like you grew for the part. It looks like an actual beard. Christian Bale would be a good idea. Christian Bale is a good example. Christian Bale is a good manly man. Actually, Mickey Mouse. Does Mickey Mouse have a beard? Mickey Mouse. What a oh, I can't say that. How do you grant permission here for things to happen? If I want to grant permission for this app to access downloads. Oh yeah, here maybe. File and folders. Alacrity. Do you have this access? You don't. Now you do. Use password. Quit and reopen. Yeah. Take the desktop as well. Nah, you don't need the desktop. Just stick to what you got. So ls here. CD downloads. ls. Setup master. Setup dash master. Dot files. ls. lsa. Config. After. Yes, go here. So move all of these guys to here. Config and vim after plugin bam. Invalid argument. Rename? No. Move. Move dash R? No. Fine. CP dash R? No. CP. It's not a what? Move. Source target. Right? CP. Everything here. No, star, not dot. CP star to there, yeah. Oh, yeah, right. Star. You're right, guys. I wasn't Minnie Mouse telling him off. He would grow. What? If it wasn't for Minnie Mouse, if it weren't, because it's an impossibility, for Minnie Mouse telling him off, he would grow one. Why do you prefer Vim over ID? I don't prefer. But sometimes when I'm doing like the algorithm stuff and stuff like that, you don't need like full PyCharm. You just need a damn editor with just very low overhead, because I'm not gonna debug anything. I'm not gonna, I don't need help with the code. I just need a place to write the code and run it once. It's not gonna be wrong code. I'm not gonna invent any code of mine to the degree where I need an IDE. you know. Just need anything that works. So there are use cases for it. But I do have PyCharm. Here it is, look. Yeah, and sometimes when I'm running like small Kotlin stuff, I might use Vim. Yeah. I mean, it's cool. It's nice. So now, you open Vim now again, it's gonna be fixed. Oh my god, yep, it is. Look at that. That's my Vim, man. That's how my Vim looks. Look at this stuff. Look at this, how nice it is. This is the Vim I know. So what did we learn now? Nothing. You just have to fucking try until it works. Why the music keep failing me? You ready for the MCA, guys? You ready? Or not yet? Maybe you're not ready. We'll listen to something else before we hit the big DMCA. Yeah, this can be good. Oh, yeah. Packer Lua, yeah. Vim Packer Lua. Oh, we did learn one thing, that this thing, you don't need this line in it. That's what I learned, yeah. This line was the issue. This is the culprit here. DMCA like copyright. They don't copyright this stuff because they don't know it. Packer install, not a command. There's no Packer, man. Look at that. So weird. Okay, SO now here. Okay, Packer install. Now it works. You have to source it every time. Why? Why? I thought it was a rapper. Yeah, kinda, but not really. The method of speaking is fast and kinda rap-ish, but it's not. Yeah, everything works. Look at that. Packer sync. Okay, everything up to date. What about adding this line? What happens then? Bam. Then you come here, quit that, quit this, come here, increase that. And then go here, all of this, go back. Again. Map leader, yes. Quit that. Go in again just because you're stupid. Packer sync. Not an editor command. Why? Why isn't it loading on immediately? I don't care. You have Lua require plugins in your init Vim? No, and I never did. Never did. Never had to. Always worked. See, it's not there. But this guy says you need it. That's new to me. And just added it like a second ago. But this says no such thing as plugins. No such thing. Try adding this line, maybe they changed it. No, doesn't work. Nope. Okay, let's go DMCA. Fuck it. You ready, guys? Ready to get the channel deleted? What am I trying? Hey, Wolf! 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 Hey, buddy. I'm trying to set up NeoVim because I'm an ape. I like to do stupid things. But I've officially given up. I got what I wanted, at least. It's working, kinda. A little. So I'm happy. This is the one I'm used to. I'm fine. I'll fix it later. I will fix it later. Let's try PyCharm for now. Do I want to try PyCharm though? I don't think so. SA, what's your opinion about KMM Future? Do you try it? Oh, I already tried it many times. Yeah, it's amazing. I have a video about it as well. Go check it out. KMM. So I need idea of him here. That's it. 6.99, almost 7K, bro. Yeah, we're getting there after 8 years. The fucking time. About fucking time. You know? Honestly, I think it's like it's dragging on too long. Shouldn't happen. Language server failed. Language server not installed, missing path or not executable. Why? Why? Fuck you, man. Man, fuck you, man. Man, fuck you, bro. Man, fuck you. Fuck you. Virtual environment, Python 3, inherit global. Alright. Fine. Let's go to the modern age. Let's do it. Let's just embrace the future. Location grokking. What is aren't you gonna ask me what the project is called? Let's go another grokking, code. Let's do big grokking. Let's say with the already taken. Alright. Grokking. Let's say CLI. And then this is grokking proper. Let's embrace the future. Use an IDE. Yeah, why not? Interpreter. Okay. Create. Wow. You want to enable repeating keys? Yes. Look at how much is going on. Oh my god. Look at the disaster. New UI, yes. Compact mode. Ooh. Yes. What is that? Yeah, no, give me a compact mode. Yeah. What about font size? Font size, editor, font, 16. Give me some 16. Line height 1.1. Enable lectures. Go. Fira code. Yes. Typography. Go. Light, not regular. Bold. Yes. Apply. Go. This is 16, you monkey. Where's the 16? This is 16? 19. Wow, that's really small. 20, 22, 23. Wow. How come? The screen gotten bigger? Or what? Yeah, you get instant like Benv. All this stuff. I think I need to go like 25 even here. Press F8 to toggle the breakpoint. Yes, I know. So how do I run? Oh, that's taken by Vim though. So I'm gonna go my usual F10. Key map. Run. Remove this one and give me Shift F10. Yes. Come here. Raise the volume. Just 30.7. Go 25. Oh yeah. Apply. Okay. I use JetBrains Mono as the name font. That's the default font. You don't use it. Just accepted it. I use a font. You accepted the existing font. You don't get to say, I use this. Because you didn't choose it. You gotta choose your destiny, bro. You understand me? You understand what I'm talking about? Bro? I hate this one. Remove it. Hide all code version. Remove all of this, yes. Use a breakpoint in the code, yes I know. Turn off the breakpoint. Run the program. Damn, that's fast. Damn. Wow. So how do you exit from that one? Bam. 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 Okay, exit. It's like Wildcat. I don't mind. Keep it. What is this one though? Print high, pie chart. Yeah. Oh, okay. What is the purpose of this shit? So I want to load all of my stuff that I worked on into here. So I'm gonna go terminal. How do I open the terminal here? Terminal, yes. I use Comic Sans like the good old days. There's a Comic Sans that I came across the other day. It's kind of really decent, honestly. Hi, how have you been? Oh, someone's talking to me. Let me tell you, decent, acceptable, what did I say? What did I call it when I found it? Let me show you. Quite acceptable, I said, right? Acceptable, kind of acceptable, yeah, there we go. This one. Where is it? Take a look at this. It's a combination of Comic Sans. What? Good. Copy the link. Yes. This one. Comic Mono. No, it looked different when I gave that opinion. What the fuck is this? No, I take it back. It looked different. It looked more, it looked different than this. This is too bold. I don't know. But yeah, came across it the other day. Let me just answer this guy. Hey man, been doing great. Doing okay. Yourself? Miss you. There. I told him. So I want to grab these files, put them here. Yes. So I'm gonna go to Grokking CLI. What's in here? So I'm gonna move all of this back one step, Grokking, and then go here, main pie. No, just dump it all here. Yes, there it is. All right. Looks like something a blue-haired programmer would use. To be honest, Did you know that this Comic Sans helps for people with dyslexia? I think so. I think there's a thing. Myth. Oh, many people with dyslexia describe Comic Sans as a powerful assistive tool, noting that the phone must be repeated at the pad. So it keeps your mind like nothing repeated, everything's original. So you kind of. Hamza Kakar, can you please guide through learning Android Canvas besides Android official docs, or recommend any resource? You know, I was about to name my son Hamza. You know that? How do you like your name? Give me some feedback on your name in life. How's it been working for you? I didn't know that. Might explain why I used it in my school assignment as a child. I used to be pretty retarded. Oh, sure it's still used to? I could give you a resource for Canvas, yes. Pretty good resource. Let me show you. Great resource. But you gotta be willing to pay. You gotta be willing to pay. Bruh. The Canvas Masterclass with Jetpack Compose. Go buy this. Thank me later. How much does it cost? Get the course. Probably 100 euros. 67. Amazing. Or you could choose installments. Charging starts on the car. First payment is bam. Next one is down. Bam. That total you'd be coming out as 74. Okay. No question, but what's the point of using breakpoints when we can use log? Okay. Android programming by the big nerds. Yeah, but I don't know if it's going to go more into Canvas than this guy. This guy made an entire course about it. The Big Nerd Ranch guide is just about Android. They're not gonna like go Canvas hardcore like this guy. This guy that made a course about it. The point of breakpoints. The point of breakpoints. Yeah, that's a good question. I mean, to me it's obvious the point, but how do you explain it to someone? Yeah, breakpoints, you can get the ability to stop the entire program at a certain line and inspect all the variables and data that's been collected and started and created and used by this program up to that point. It's like saying, hey, stop everything, program, hold your horses, don't move, let me go and take a look at you while you're running. A log gives you like a printout statement while the program is running, but you don't stop anything. The program already ran. Even with breakpoints, you can go stop the program, go there, modify some values, and now say execute again in the middle of it, and it'll do it. A debugger is something very big. The value of a debugger is beyond argumentation at this point in time. I mean, you got the ability to break the execution. Oh yeah, I break, I guess, that's why. It's the point where you break, yeah, it's a break in the execution, and you stop and take a look. It's invaluable. It's a great ability. Single click, yes. What is wrong with this? Pep 8 expected 2 blank lines, found 1. How do you format? What? Format? How? Shift, enter, and alt. Right? There you go, huh? Oh. What? That's not how you format, man. What is he saying? Reformat the file. Alt, Shift, Enter. Okay. Whatever. Where's the run here? Ah, to get the run you have to do this line, right? Yeah, this one. There you go. That's why you get the run thing. If name is main, yeah. Check voter. Do all of these. No. Do all of these. Yeah, no. Bam. Dude, move them all. Control V. I. No. Control V. I. Space. Control V. Go here. Yeah, there you go. Thanks, Vim, you asshole. There you go. Nice. I want to change something. I only need to use debugging when there is a crash, so execution stops anyway. No. You can use it without having a crash. Yeah, exactly. Things can go wrong without crashing. What happened? No more music? You don't want to play the music? What does my friend say? Any news on the job? News on the job. Yeah, where is that job I was supposed to be getting? Well, I have an interview tomorrow. Another one the day after that. The one on Tuesday is very promising. The one tomorrow
can your head smell of burning? Can your head smell
promises a high salary, but the real gauntlet
like
interview. We'll see. What are you up to? That's how you talk to your friends, guys.
Can your head smell of burning?
That is how you talk to your friends. How long have I been on?
Can your head smell of burning?
Burning. My head smells burning. Reformat code. Yes. Aha. It's Command Alt L.
Can your head smell of burning?
Right.
Smells like burning.
Okay, let's try
Can your
this.
head smell of burning?
How do we cause it to format?
Can your head smell of burning? Smells like burning.
I'm used to doing it. Command Alt L.
Can your head smell of burning?
Maybe.
Can your head smell of burning?
Yeah, let's do that.
Can your head smell of burning? Smells
There you
like
go.
burning. Can your head smell of burning?
Nice riff.
Can your head smell of
Riff? Oh yeah, this is. Do you watch Twitch?
Can your head smell of burning?
Bruh? This is like this is my favorite streamer. So someone made like an auto-tune of things he said. It's not an actual song. It's just things he's said over the years. What is wrong with this one? Replace dictionary creation with what? Oh, okay. Okay. Ah, now he's lost though. Now it got lost. So if I do start, what do I do then? Huh? So you could do this. This would be like endlessly nested. No, don't do it.
Can you smell burning?
I don't know how, but this actually got in my recommended. Yeah, well, you know, we're meant to be, bro. You're supposed to meet me today. You're supposed to hear something wise from me.
Can you smell
But yeah, you'll hear it in a second. Then you'll know why God sent you here.
Can you smell burning?
Yeah, and don't question authority too. If array is equal to nothing, now what is see, I'm learning new, like, if not array, just say if not array. Ignore errors like this, rename this. This should be like max number, no? Whatever.
Oh, that's some bullshit. That's not my fault. That's not my goddamn fault.
Right sub. So just say right here.
Fuck you, bitch.
Right. Did he send me the code?
Game.
This guy?
Oh, that's
No,
some
he
bullshit.
didn't.
That's not my fault. That's not my goddamn fault.
He didn't. Eh. Would have solved it for him.
Fuck you, bitch.
Use IDE shortcut here, yeah.
Fuck this goddamn game.
Game.
Fuck this game. Fuck this game. Fuck this game. Fuck this game. Fuck this game. Fuck this game.
Rename the element? Why would I rename the element? What's the issue? Shadows.
Fuck this game.
Array from outer scope. Oh, I see.
Fuck this game.
So don't use it then. What about this one? Unexpected argument. Ooh, yeah, we need that. We'll just call this one R. Or we'll do this. Yeah.
Oh, that's some bullshit. That's not my fault. That's
Well, I'm
not
happy with
my
PyCharm.
goddamn
It's nice.
fault.
I can't lie. I cannot lie.
Fuck you, bitch.
Last thing I stopped at was, I think,
This
Dijkstra.
goddamn game.
This guy. Refactor, rename. It's better not to miss a var.
That's not my
Huh?
goddamn fault.
Python code lead code one-line solution solving global hunger and poverty in cancer in 01. Yeah, it was my stupidity to use Kotlin in that sense. Should have went Python from the beginning.
Fuck this
You live and learn. You live and learn.
Fuck this game. Fuck this
You
game.
live and lerp.
Fuck this game.
Yeah, I don't want code, honestly. You know, I don't feel like it.
Fuck this
Just
game.
talk to me or something.
Game.
Do something.
Fuck
Fuck this game. Fuck this game. What kind of games do you play, Darui?
Fuck this game.
What the hell kind of name is Darui anyway?
Fuck this game. Fuck this game.
Settings, appearance, start.
Game.
Open start. Yeah, sure. Send to 2? No. Send to 1? What's in 1? No, I'll keep it at 3. No, 3. Yeah, sure. Okay. Think I'll take a break.
$5,000 on the line.
Fortnite?
7 days.
How old are you, man?
I do not want to fucking lose this money. $5,000 on the line.
Tekken Street Fighter. Oh, nice.
$5,000 on the line.
Hey, Sandscar.
6 wins in 7 days.
How are you?
I do not want to fucking lose this money. $5,000 on the line tonight.
Yeah, come back.
There's a fucking rat
You
waiting
tell
by
me
the
how you
driver's
are,
seat.
though.
There's a fucking rat waiting by the driver's seat. There's a fucking
I was about to
rat.
mention Minecraft, but yeah, you will be judged, of course.
There's a fucking rat.
So, I advise you not to do it.
Waiting by the driver's seat. There's a fucking rat waiting by the driver's seat. There's a fucking rat.
What do I want to listen to? Maybe this? Yeah. Sure. Minecraft. What about your craft? Mein Kampf, more like. You better read Mein Kampf instead of playing Minecraft. Yeah, that's even worse, man. Don't you play like Dark Souls or something? Video about Grandpa asked his grandson to buy him Minecraft as a birthday present. He bought him Minecraft. Yeah, it sounds kind of the same. Minecraft. Mein Kampf. It kind of has all the letters and syllables. Yeah, really, how old are you though, that way? I think because all of my audience is, you know, like 28 to 34. Lately, it's been 18 to 25 also. This has been, you know, but mostly it's all like people my age. So you seem to be not of that age. I was wondering. You aren't below 18, are you? You seem intelligent, confident. Smart enough to be a smart ass. You know, smart asses are actually smart. But they're just taking their intelligence in the wrong kind of way. But they are smart. You know, there's some truth to the saying. Smart enough to be a smart ass. That's good. Yes, I'm gonna smoke. Before I get smoked. Okay, listen to this banger. If you've heard anything better than this track right here, I'll give you anything you want. tell me. Amazing, isn't it? Right? Yeah, I was. Hey, Mohsen. It's a nice WhatsApp picture you got there. I wanted to say it's nice, but I forgot. Use the hat though. You have hair. Use it. Show it to people before you lose it. Mentally, I am 60. Yeah, everybody thinks that way. Wearing Linux admin who codes in assembly and so that's physically I've been around the sun 19 times. Oh, I see. Yeah, you'll get there. You'll get there. Part 2? What's a part 2? You going to part 2s? Oh, party! Ah. So you're thinking, like, what is a part 2? Maybe some new generation stuff. Part 2. Really good party. Becomes a part 2. I'm bored. I'm honestly like I gotta admit, you know, sometimes I lie to myself, but I'm bored today. I've no interest in doing anything really today. But I'm gonna put this in my face, so maybe it changes my opinion. But generally I'm just bored. Surprising as it sounds even to me. I never say that. But now I have to say it. How's the interviews? I have 2 coming up. Tomorrow there's 1. And Tuesday there's another. So tomorrow... Where to go next? Wait a minute. Tomorrow there's an interview for some company that is paying 80,000. Yeah, that's tomorrow's interview. But it's it's a hard interview. Tomorrow is the first step, which is the 45 minutes with the engineering manager. Tuesday is the one that's final, the promising one, but they're offering like 60. You know? So, and these guys, they probably are gonna say yes. But the issue is the difference in salary, you know? Like, do I tell them, hey, wait, I have to go finish with those 80 guys and see what they say? Do I just take it? You know, what do you do? What do you do? Nah, it's not about traveling, no. I have no reason to be bored. Do I have a kid coming? I have, like, my mother's traveling to Netherlands. There's a lot of exciting things happening. I have job interviews. But today, I am bored. Why is that? Why? Why? Think, Odai, think. Why discussed? I said make it 65. That's their budget. 60, 65, that's it. They don't want to go 70. But on the other hand, I love their company. I love how they work. I love the people. I love the way they work. They described everything to me. I loved it. It's just the salary. Is this where we stopped, Extra? Yeah, I think it's... I think I started to have some fear about this algorithm specifically. A certain line I didn't understand, and that line made me think that okay, fuck it, I don't want to lie. I'll pick it up later, but later means never. It's this line here. I said I'd do it later, or I'd No, it wasn't that line here. What put me off was this. I went back to Quicksort. No. I went back to BFS and I couldn't remember it off of the top of my head. I thought I had it just by implementing it and reading about it. I thought I'd just go over it, look at it, and I'd instantly get it. I didn't. And that kind of discouraged me a little. I felt like, oh, all this work for what? Like I come back to this code and I don't remember it. This is what I'm studying for. Remote worldwide jobs, you still have to pay tax. I'm not interested in a lot of money, Darui. I'm not interested there. It doesn't interest me when you say 100 plus K. It doesn't interest me when you say 50, 150. I don't care. Literally. I really don't care. Why? I don't know. But it's true, it's genuine, I don't care. Plus, there's no 80,000, 100,000 for free. Those companies, they want you to know a lot of things, including algorithms and stuff like that. You have to get those down to be able to get that number. I'm telling you, these two companies I have an interview with, one of them is 60, the other is 80. The one that's 80, their interview is hell. Like 4 stages, systems design, stuff like that. You're not gonna get the 80. It's just like, oh, I applied. Yeah, 80 costs money. You need to be the guy who deserves that 80. You need to study, you need to, you know. Life is hard, bro. What the fuck? No, Shift F2. Oh, this interferes with my shortcut. Damn it. Test for membership should be not in. What? So I need to do this? Oh. Where's my fingers? So if person not in searched, this is what it wants. Right? Yes. There are no whiteboarding rounds companies as well, though. There was a GitHub repo with a list of such companies. Yeah, they're not gonna pay this much. Doesn't work that way. If they pay a lot, it means you gotta be a lot. That's it. No way around it. You're not gonna get 100 plus or 80,000, 88,000 with just 2 interview questions. I've seen it. It's impossible. See you, Mohsen. Take care of yourself. It's not backbill, it's the rule of life. You work hard, you get the big reward. You work less, you get the smaller reward. Think somebody's gonna offer you 100,000 just for being pretty? You have to be that kind of guy. You have to earn it. And their interview process will make sure that you earn it. Or you don't. You should see this video I made. Did I make a video about it? Yeah, I think I did. Where's the browser? YouTube. My channel. 3 watching. I have 7,000 subscribers. What the hell do you mean 3 watching? Pathetic. Really pathetic. Where is it? Oh yeah, it's the latest video. Go watch that. What the fuck? Copy link. Yeah, copy link. Start OnlyFans, get paid, be pretty, although I will lose my soul. Yes, and go to hell probably. Don't want to increase your chances of going hell, man. So DQ is what again? It's double-ended Q, right? Ah, yes, yes, yes. So this should have pop left, pop right. Am I right? Why not? Pop right. Why not? Why just left? I thought it's double-ended. Cool, thanks for the link. Yes, anytime. Okay, so let me just read this and understand it just a little. Just a little. Why is this, what is wrong with this? Shadowing, yes? Okay. It shadows this guy. So, we're just gonna do this. Bam. There you go. Remove this format, okay. So you get the people. You get a double-ended queue. So, breadth first search is gonna... It's gonna what? Motherfucker. Commonly used shortest path. You need to check people in the order they were added to the search list. That's what breadth first search does. Otherwise, you won't get the shortest path. Why is that? So fine, you add them as a queue, and then you add this first thing, you add the root. So why don't call it root here? Root comp house. Then you have the array search, just like Dijkstra has processed. While people get a person. If the person isn't in searched, well, you could replace all of this with one function and then say nah, this is clear, this is clear. It's too hard on myself. This is a clear thing. This is just not array, yeah. Ignore? No? No, don't ignore. Don't ignore. What happened? Yeah, I think I'm gonna call it a day for the stream. I mean, I did what I wanted, you know. And then it's working. Is Tmux working? Yes. Do I have a Tmux config? Tmux, yes I do. Why isn't it taking effect? Because you need to do tmux.conf. You need to do something. What's it called? Prefix followed by R. So my prefix is what here? I forgot. Where's my prefix? Space backslash? Space backslash? No. Control I. Control I. R. Control I. No? What the fuck? No. Ah, you could do this, okay. There you go. Yes. Right? Prefix. What is my prefix, man? Control I, I think. Control I, R. GG. Indeed. Find prefix shortcut Tmux. Control B. Control B I. There you go. No, Control B R. Control B R. Yeah. N. Control B C. Yeah, that's right. Exit. Control B I. My life is dead. Hey Nizamuddin, what's up, man? How you been, man? Back again. Tmux, you need to have TPM first. Tmux install TPM. Yes. Is this not how you do it? Clone it. Oh, you need to clone it. Exit. .tmux. Is there such a thing? No. .tmux. Capital I. No. Did you work? Last video was blocked. I stopped dancing, by the way. Good job. Good job. How do you feel? Yeah, it was blocked because of the music. That's the price you pay on YouTube, man. Either listen to music like or just have a boring, stream. I guess I gotta clone this. Awesome. Yeah, that's awesome. That is awesome. You have a girl, wife. Everything's loaded. Amazing. Started gymnastics. Yeah, you could do that. Be strong, fit. Yesterday, no, the day before, I went out with this friend of mine that I met here in Netherlands, in Amsterdam. And we went and hung out, and then we went to the park, started doing like push-ups in the park exercise area. We did pull-ups as well. It was really good. Okay, you got it, bro. You got it. $200. Girls like dancing. Yeah, you can get dancing. You can get the girls from another way. It's like saying, yeah, girls like to do their hair, so let me hang out in the salons and maybe I meet a girl there. Doesn't work. Does not work. You wanna meet the girl, don't you? When you hang out where? Hey, give me the full story, man. Give me the whole sentence. The search should be good. What thumbnail? Oh, I didn't even see it. Didn't even look at it. Yeah, it does look kind of scary. Sound good though. I think I need this line. There's a place called Nuts and Brew. They're a girl like boys dancing. They think boys with dancing talent. Sigma. What the fuck is a Sigma male? First of all, before we go on to the rest of the document, what the fuck is a Sigma male? What does that mean? Give me the root definition. What in the hell is that? What in the hell? I think Darui can help us here. Darui, my friend, my Americanized Western teen friend. What is a Sigma male? Why did I come to this page? Ah. Yes. Nuts and Brew. Sigma male, male that attracts omen. You mean women? Yeah, that's not a definition. I thought master male, what did they call it? Alpha male was the attractive to women. People got bored of the term alpha male, so they invented Sigma male as an assertive dominant man. Let's ask Gipotti. What is a Sigma male? Concept originated from the alpha and beta male classifications, often used to describe social hierarchies and personality types. However, it is important to note that the concept of Sigma male is not widely recognized or no shit, no, I thought it was scientific. Oh, thanks for reminding me. typically describes an individual who is independent, self-reliant, and prefers to operate outside traditional social hierarchies. What the fuck are even traditional social hierarchies? You just do what you fucking want. Of course you're independent and self-reliant. You're a man. What do you expect? There's a minimum of you to do is rely on yourself and be independent. You need a name for it. This is the basic. If you don't do that, you are not a man. This is like, to use a chair, you have to have an ass. And then we go and call all the chair the ass havers. It's just a guy on a chair. Of course you need an ass for the chair. It's not, nobody's gonna clap for that. The minimum is self-reliance and independence. If you are below that, then you are shit. They're often portrayed as lone wolves, introverts. No. Your dad is a Sigma male. He raised you, he put a roof over your head. Your dad is an alpha. His dad is an alpha. Every man is like this. This is the basic structure of a man. If he's not like this, then he is making himself not like this because he doesn't want to hold responsibility or be a man enough. He wants to have fun. Okay, go have fun. It's your life. Solo riding wolf kind of man. That bullshit, man. There's no such thing. Man. There's no such thing. Unlike alpha males, who are often seen charismatic leaders, dominant figures, and beta males, or may be considered more submissive, passive Sigma males are portrayed as individuals that navigate their own path.
Oh, I don't fall to any label, but yet I do have a label.
Social equality, intelligence, introspection. Oh. Okay, I got this. I'm gonna tell you what this is, okay? I'm gonna tell you what this is. So there's three types, correct. So far. There's three types. There's the guy who is obviously, goes to the gym, you know, looks big, talks loud, you know. That's one person. Right? And then you got the males who are comparing themselves with this guy, and they think they're so far away from this that now they are just beneath it. Okay? So that's two now there. The guy who's oh my god, whatever, and the guy who thinks I will never be oh my god, whatever. So now there's two. There comes a third one, like, hey guys, I am also very manly, but I may not look like it, you know, I'm not like the buff kind of guy, but I am man enough, you know. So please, gonna need a label here for people like me, you know. Give us a label. We're the let's say Sigma, right? Because Alpha and Beta are taken. So just going down the ladder. These are fucking morons, man, with too much time on their hands. People like this have too much time on their hands. Too much time, man. The definition of a man, is a responsibility. That's it. There are men that I know who don't speak like I speak, who speak much less, and their voice is softer. But go try them. Go try him. Go tell him something. Go ask something of him. Go challenge his knowledge. Go challenge him physically. Go undermine his presence. Go insult him. Go try the man. And you tell me, is he man enough or not? It's not in how you look and how you speak and how you raise your voice or lower your voice. It's what you say and what you do. These are the things that make you what you are. It's what you say. It's not how you say it. It's what you say. Those who hang on to how you say the thing, of course you're not gonna scream something, and you know, of course it's involved in how you say it, but it's nowhere near 50%. It's like 30% how you say it. It's what you say that matters. It's more about actions, what you do, how you behave. It has nothing to do with how you look at all. Some of the men I know, much shorter than me, much skinnier. Telling you again, go try him. Go test him. In the kickboxing gym, this guy, he was 14. Swear to God, he was 14. And I'm fighting, I'm sparring with him. The guy, man, punched me in the chest. 14 years old. Took the wind out of me. I'm 35. He's 14. He's a kid. You go look at him in the street. Oh, look at this beta man. Go try him. Stop labeling people and stop labeling yourself. Stop labeling things. This is the true person who goes away from social constructs. They stop labeling. They stop partaking in these stupid boxes. You know, what box should I put this in? Oh, it's not a box. It's a whole idea. It doesn't need to be 100% in your mind, done, boxed up, and labeled for you to think that I get it. It's just a thing, you know. What if you stumble upon programming and you want to make a box out of that? You're not gonna ever understand all of programming. You're gonna get lost if you go and trying to put everything in a box, you know. This is the result of just young men watching too much porn. Unfortunately. I tell you firsthand, man. I know this firsthand. This and many other sicknesses and deviations and abnormalities in thinking and behavior. It's all because of porn. All of it. All of it. No, third is Charlie Sheen. There's the alpha and beta of our species. Do you know who the third is? Devs is patch, sigma males, gamma males. People need labels to feel relevant and emotionally secure. This is all not only just because addiction to porn. Also, mind you, this is just in America. This is spewing from America outside to the world. In Japan, my dear, in China, they don't like muscles. They don't like tall, muscular guy who's bald or like skinhead. They don't like this at all. They like thin, soft man with colored hair. It'll blow you away if you knew it. This is what they like in Japan. You can't apply the American stuff to the whole world. It's just something coming out of America. Muscles, big boobs, you know, that's the American taste. It's not like that here in the Netherlands, for example. No one is buff here. No one. No one looks like they're shredded. Nobody. If you look shredded, you will look weird here. Everybody's kind of like this. Fit enough. They're all tall. That's very common. They're very tall. And yeah, just normal looking, relaxed guys. No one is shredded, I'm telling you. South Korea, whatever. People like different things. This stereotype that you have to be commanding. And here, if you raise your voice very, very much, or if you sound like I sound like, yeah, they don't like that. They think you're overcompensating. They think you're aggressive. They think you're not relaxed enough. You're creepy. Like, what are you, like, relax, man? Because their culture is not like this. In America, it's whoever is loudest. Whoever's strong, everything's big, you know, big, yeah. This is America, like guns, yeah, let's kill people. It's fucking monkeys, you know. They are monkeys, in my opinion. They're just apes. And their government is like a bunch of animals, rabid dogs in suits, and the people are just apes, you know. And then you got the geniuses from Silicon Valley and stuff like that. That's what America to me is. Killing, spurs of genius, and fucking stupid. Just murderers, idiots, And like 2% genius, absolute geniuses. That's what America to me is. Can you teach me the difference between flows and live data? Oh, trust me. Debs. If I knew, I'd pass the last interview. Ow, what's that? Ah, getting old, guys. Just out of nowhere. What's the difference between live data and flow? Come here, Debs, let me teach you something. Don't look at the screen, I'm just coming up with all of this from my head. So live data is an observable data holder from Android architecture components. Carpa, I haven't typed anything. I haven't done any work today. I'm just sitting like this, man. Lifecycle awareness. So live data objects are aware of the lifecycle component, like destroyed, whatever. Automatically they trigger, no memory leaks. What a flow is, it's asynchronous, comes from coroutines, over time, flexible, okay. Flows represents suspension based, okay. So you use flows to basically be up to date. The latest recommended architecture for Android is using flows for sure. Do not use live data anymore. Trust me. They all recommend flows because you go into the data layer and you say your database returns a flow. So now you catch it over there in the UI layer. So just use flows. Jetpack Compose take over. Yeah, it has already taken over. Jetpack Compose is the way to go. Plus, bros, when you associate yourself with something higher, all of these concerns, they kind of melt away. But yeah, to do that, to seek something higher, you have to be a curious person. To think like, how did we come here? Where are we going? What am I doing here? What is asked of me? Why this life? There's an answer to all of this. When you answer it sufficiently, you start to feel that you're much more above than all of these things that we're talking about here, like the sigma and beta and all of that. You grow beyond all of the silliness that the world currently puts out. But yeah, that's for later. Don't mind that. Discover it later, maybe. This line doesn't work, man. What the fuck is up with the documentation? Stupid guy. I wrote it. What if it's at the end, maybe? Maybe? It's not even, it's init.vim, it's not Lua even. How am I gonna call? Okay. What's the equivalent of this line in Vim configuration? What? Oh, like this? Okay. Hey, Darui, have you joined the Discord? No. Message command. Like, I want to stay, but yeah, I want to go. I think I'll see you later. Or just smoke a final cigarette, and I'm out. Hey, look at my chair. Hinders my productivity. Smart man. Amen. Smart guy. Yeah. Love you very much for hanging out. And see you in the next one. Goodbye, everyone. Very nice meeting you, Droy. You really made the stream fun today. Goodbye, my friend.